A special program has been created for residents to dispose of small quantities of used gypsum, also known as drywall, gyprock, or plasterboard, as it may contain or be contaminated with asbestos in the tape and mud. If workers are involved in any renovation or demolition project on a building constructed prior to 1990, contact WorkSafe BC for information on the requirements for protecting workers. More information is available at worksafebc.com/asbestos be aware. For Metro Vancouver's program, residents must use special, clear, used gypsum bags available at local hardware stores. Yellow and black asbestos bags are not accepted as part of the program. When bagging used gypsum, there are some precautions that must be taken. Purchase the correct bags and protective equipment and then take the following steps. Place gypsum in the bag and wipe the bag clean with a damp paper towel. Twist the top portion of the bag. Wrap duct tape around the base and bend it down to make a loop. Attach it to the base using duct tape. This process is commonly referred to as a gooseneck. Place the bag in a second used gypsum bag and repeat the steps. To find out more, visit metrovancouver.org and search Used Gypsum.